I'm someone that really appreciates a personalized approach to learning, meaning that along with smaller class sizes, the professor is actually able to tailor the lectures to the class and the class's interests. So for example, one day after class, if someone asks the professor a question, the next time that we're in class, the professor is then able to address that question to the entire class. Because we have that kind of time, right? We have the ability to take that personalized approach to learning and just really work on the things that the class needs to work on.
As a bilingual campus, Glendon has provided me with the ultimate location to utilize and develop my French skills at any time. I was in the French immersion program in grade school, but being at Glendon has provided me with the chance to use my French during my on-campus jobs, doing things like making YouTube videos and leading campus tours in French. I really enjoy walking down the halls and hearing just as much French being spoken as I do hear English, and also getting to attend French events. Being bilingual is a skill that I value greatly, especially in my program of international studies. My future goal is to work for the Government of Canada in global affairs, and I know that being bilingual with French will be essential to my success. It's also a lot of fun to learn a second language and has opened up a whole new world of opportunities.
Being able to manage social media accounts, design websites, and also grow a brand from the ground up has helped me enhance my entrepreneurial skills for future career endeavors. I personally feel more confident about my career with the experience that I gained from my internship, since a lot of the skills that I've learned are versatile for a variety of industries as I conclude my studies and begin to solidify my postgraduate plans. Needless to say, I would not have had this opportunity without the courses and knowledge I gained while studying at Glendon. I am better positioned to pursue jobs that interest me, and my current internship is a perfect example of that.